All right, let's install a battery kill switch on a 2009 SRT8 Challenger. So got this from Amazon. It's about 40-ish or so. Then we got the battery here in the back. So first off, you're gonna take this ground wire off. Go ahead and disconnect that. I'm gonna move to the power wire. Go ahead and remove that one. Obviously they're screwed down, but I went ahead and did it. All right, let's go ahead and put this on the ground wire. Push it down a little bit. I'll tighten it up a little better in just a minute. We're gonna go ahead and tighten this one up. All right. Now, this is a brass adapter. So pretty much you're gonna go ahead and put your ground wire back onto this little brass piece right here. You got to move it around a little bit. It's kind of a weird fit. But once you put it on, you'll tighten it up. It'll be a little sideways like that, but it should be all right. I'm gonna go ahead and cut to what's gonna look like when I'm done tightening it all. All right, we got all this stuff tightened up here. Put that on there, it's good to go. It's all tightened down. Now you're gonna take this positive wire, take the little washer off a little bit, and you're gonna plug it in here, like so. Then from here, you're just gonna tighten her up. Make sure you tighten all the way down. Obviously you got your tools and stuff. I'll go ahead and put it right there. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it up and I'll be right back. All right, I got it all tightened up here. This one is good to go. Everything's good and tight here. Now if it all goes to plan, this should go ahead and turn it on. Yep, on, off. Go ahead and go inside the car and give you a demonstration on how it works. All right, so it's on right now. Let's go ahead and clutch in, start the car, see what happens. So that turns the car on. It is on. Go ahead and turn it off. Now let's go ahead and push the off button. Heard it click in the back. Clutch in, start. Nothing. Go ahead and on. Clutch in. We are good to go. Not bad for 40 bucks, man.